welcome back to another Vloggy Style episode. Today, I will be welding these lawnmower rims onto these four-wheeler tiles. So, well, it's not gonna go like that. The smaller one on this. And then the bigger ones on the back tiles. And then, so to start off with, you need an angle grinder with a flat disc or a wire brass tip. Because I'll be going through and sanding all the edges, especially down here on the rim, so I can get some welds down on it. So I guess we'll cut to a clip of me doing that. Safety first!
When did we ever follow that rule? Here's your tater chip.
Aww, little chip.
You want more? You want more?
Tasty. Oh, hell yeah. I didn't know your Jeep had chips on it.
It has a lot of them.
Oh, goddamn.
The other side's better. The other side's got the newer chips.
Oh, it has a new shit? When did it come out?
1996.
Oh my god. I think your Jeep might have a little bit of a rust problem.
Nah, that's what the insurance tries to tell me.
Yep. Sonoma! I need to make a video about this truck. Anyways.
And the thing that's over there. So, this is
Anyways, I sanded these points down because when the rim's down here, that's mostly where I'm gonna weld. It's those parts. This one, I sanded all the way around the whole ends. This one, this is welded. It'll be set up similar to that. So let me take this to the other room to the MIG welder.
This thing will record upside down?
Oh my god.
It does.
Yeah. Does it have to like flip the footage? So. Well, that's cool.
Brody.
Yes.
Look at me. Yeah.
Okay, at the welding table, make sure you got the proper PPE. I don't have my welding jacket, but it's a million degrees here, so. So, got it welded, not the best welds, but
1 out of 4.
tire number 3. So we got a little sidetracked installing a AC. Oh God, I'm shaky. But black mode. Don't drop that on me. Nice. But yeah, got these all welded up. Super crappy welds, but you know, they do just fine for what I need them for. And yeah. So
Lawnmower don't have offset.
yeah, Lawnmower's gonna have offset. Crazy. But okay, see you guys in the next clip. Here it is. So I got the tires on it. We'll do a little bit of a refill. There it is. Now it looks a little bit funky, if I do say so myself. Let me pick up the camera and take it on a little walk around. Here we are. This thing looks like a freaking beast now. Got the big back tires. Take this thing through the mud, I'm gonna get soaked. I got the tail light here. It's gonna be a walking brake light. Got that off of course the players here, which is completely torn apart. That thing's going bye-bye here soon. Going to the scrap. Yeah. Pretty wide in the back. The front tires, I need to put some spacers in and some bushings. Guess you can see there's a gap right there. If I go like that, no more gap. So I need to fix that. Front end's a little bit. Yeah, I gotta cut out parts of the hood because of course that hits the hood there. And on the front, this side does the same thing. Now, on my pedals, of course I'm gonna put like stops so it can't steal like that far. Gas pedal, it's just barely off of it. But when they'll be like full throttle. It will normally be sitting about here. So from there to there on my throttle control. The brake on this side is the only thing that I think I might have problems with. Because I barely touched the hood there. Yeah, this is some insane toning radius. Touching the hood there and there. So I gotta trim the hood. This is the problem. I can't. Oh, I can't. So if it's sitting right there, I can barely put the brake on. Like literally barely put the brake on. So I need to figure out if I can bend this rod backwards some more, or cut it and re-weld it coming out sideways. So instead of this being straight up and down, be sticking out sideways, so it'd be like here instead. So when it's sitting here, it should be actually sitting like here. So that's the plan. Forward reverse neutral, which does give me some problems. Like I just had the brakes on. Brakes off now, it's in neutral. Gonna go forward and then neutral. Nope. Forward. Reverse neutral. Nope, still locked up. Forward. Reverse. Neutral. There we go. Now it's unlocked. See, it does that every single time when I put the brake on, let go of the brake. It might work this time. Nope, every time. So I think something's sticking on the. That's not even going. There we go. There we go. It does that every time for some reason. Of this cup holder. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Things look pretty badass when it's done. That's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. But yeah, it's looking pretty nice for what it is. I can't wait till I actually have it running and driving, so stay tuned for that.